Turn off your phone. Remove the battery. Buckle on KC02S. Long press the confirm button to change the language of the device. We choose single modification mode. Set your desired efficiency and charging times. Press the confirm button to burn. Wait for burning to complete. Weld the matching boot line well. One end is connected to the USB at the upper end of the KC02S. The other end is connected to the mobile phone. Switch KC02S gear to data boot. Then turn on the phone. Find the settings battery after booting. Batteries and information. There is an important battery information reminder appearing. This page can turn off the phone. After shutdown, turn the switch gear button at the KC02S. Switch to data modification mode. Turn the phone on again. The battery capacity has been modified to 100% after booting. KC02S bottom connection Type-C charger. Connect the battery again. Press the activate button to activate the protected battery.